ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदायकर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to 65th class today on 22nd May of 2013. We have very successfully conducted so far 64 classes of this book, Teach Yourself Sanskrit, and right now we are doing numerals and the derivation. This lesson and the following lesson are devoted for the study of numerals and what are the numerals, how, and their writing also was introduced in the previous class 1 to 20, and further we are studying identification of numbers and also writing of the numbers we are practicing. So Abhyasa is 243. Practice ekavimshatitah shashti paryantam sankhyaah. So here 21 to 60 numbers are introduced on this page 399. So please read carefully and find them what they are like. Sankhyaah akshareshu likhantu. Now when they are given in words, you are supposed to write in numbers. So some are missing here. You can pick up from the box there, right on the monitor. Eka trimshat, 31 is called Eka trimshat, Eka being 1, trimshat being 30. And similarly 32 likewise should be called Dva trimshat. Dva trimshat, you find, you may find it, yes. Trimshat is there on the right side? Not given. Not given. So we'll write it later. Dva trimshat. Then 33. Trayaha trimshat. Trayas trimshat. In Sandhi it becomes Trayas trimshat.
Previous lesson we have read up to, means we have learned up to
20 only.
Yeah, from 21 onwards we have to learn.
Achha, box I thought somewhere will fit, but okay. Not fitting, na? Okay. Right. You are right, Srinivas. So, Vimshatihi we stopped. Eka Vimshatihi. We can see in the box now. Dva Vimshatihi. Trayo Vimshatihi. Chatur Vimshatihi. Pancha Vimshatihi. Shad Vimshatihi. Sapta Vimshati. Asta Vimshatihi. Nava Vimshatihi. Trimshat. This is how 21 to 30 are given on in the box. Now same you are supposed to, some are missing in the exercise number 1 here. Eka trimshat, something like Eka vimshatihi, trimshat being 30. 31, Dva trimshat, it is like Dva vimshatihi. Then Trayo vimshati is there 23, but here Trayas trimshat, Sandhi takes place. Trayaha trimshat, Trayas trimshat. Chatur trimshat. Trimshad or trimshat, it's okay. Then Pancha trimshat. Trimshat is the unit which you can see is 30. Trimshat. And Pancha trimshat, 35. Shat trimshat. Shat trimshat, 36. Like in that Shad Vimshati, there it becomes. Sapta trimshat, 37. 38 is Asta trimshat, like Asta Vimshatihi. Parallelly you can see Asta Vimshatihi. Nava Vimshatihi, like 29. Nava trimshat. There is another way of telling this number also, but book doesn't give you. Ekona chatvarimshat. Last class I have told you. Eka una. Una means less. One less. Chatvarimshat, 40. That means 39. Ekam chalis. Hindi bhashayam ekam chalis. This way of saying it there in Sanskrit. Ekona vimshatihi. Nava dasha, instead of saying navadasha, ekona vimshatihi, 1 less 20 means 19. Ekona trimshat means 29. Instead of saying that, simplification is nava vimshatihi, 29. So, and finally, chatvarimshat, 40. Chatvarimshat, trimshat, chatvarimshat. In the second exercise, eka chatvar, we are going ahead with 40. Eka chatvarimshat, 41. Like in Hindi, it is same, ikalis, chalis, ikalis. So, one is taken first in reading, ikalis. Something like that. But whereas in English, 41, like in Telugu, Nalabai Okati, 41, we don't come this way. 40 and then 1 on top of. Dvichatvarimshat, simple. Trichatvarimshat, 43. Chatush chatvar, here Chatuhu in Sandhi becomes Chatush chatvarimshat, 44. Pancha chatvarimshat, Pancha 5, chatvarimshat, 45. Shat chatvarimshat, Sapta chatvarimshat, Ashta chatvarimshat, 8, 4, that is 48. And there were?
There is no thing, Ashta chatvarimshat, it's not Ashta, it's only Ashta.
Ashta chatvarimshat, not Dirgha is there, yes. Ashta chatvarimshat. That Ashta trimshat. Somewhere Ashta chatvarimshat. Nava chatvarimshat. And finally 49. Nava chatvarimshat. Panchashat. Panchashat is 50 of century. Then third exercise. Eka panchashat. Moving on with panchashat. Eka panchashat. Dvi panchashat. Tri panchashat. Chatuhu panchashat. Pancha panchashat. Here pancha. 2 times. Pancha panchashat. Shad panchashat. Ashta panchashat. Now, as you raise Srinivas, it is Ashta chatvarimshat, Ashta chatvarim. 2 versions are there. Simple. Ashta is there. Yes. Like for 58 is Ashta panchashat, Ashta panchashat also. There also is there. So we are taking it simply here. Ashta panchashat. Book is given. Nava panchashat. Nava panchashat. Ekona shashtihi. Another way of saying is Eka una shashtihi. Shashtihi being 60. 1 less 60. Shashtihi, finally shashtihi. So, do we need to write some missing?
Yeah.
I will write for there. So, you tell me from wherever missing in the 32. 32, isn't it? Starting from Dwa Trimshat. I will write here. Dwa Trimshat.
36.
Shat Trimshat.
37.
Sapta Trimshat. Is the mic okay? Slippayin. Chudandi. Sapta Trimshat. Is it okay, mic? Sapta Trimshat. I'm sorry, this should come down. Sapta Trimshat. What is there?
Ashta Trimshat, 38.
Ashta Trimtash. 38. Nava Trimshat. Chatvarimshat is there, I think.
45.
45. Next, Pancha Chatvarimshat. Pancha can be written 2 ways. I am writing with Anuswar here. Pancha Chatvarimshat.
46.
Pancha Chatvarimshat. 46 is also not given. Shat Chatvarimshat. चत्वारिंशत्. Next. सप्त चत्वारिंशत्. This is 47. नव then 52 is there ना ये साइड వచ్చింది द्विपञ्चाशत् चतुष्पञ्चाशत् षट्पञ्चाष्ट सप्त अष्ट ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది द्वि टू ways are द्विपञ्चाशत् द्विपञ्च you can write like this पञ्चाशत् त्रिपञ्चाशत्. I am writing in a different way. त्रिपञ्चाशत्. Exact. This is of course the correct way. पञ्चपञ्चाशत्. पञ्चपञ्चाशत्. Any more? षट्पञ्चाशत् अष्टपञ्चाशत्. I think they can write now. सप्तपञ्चाशत् is 50. I'm sorry, 57. Next. नवपञ्चाशत्. So on this page, as it is given, ekavimshatitah, from starting from 21 Shashti Paryantam up to Shashti, we have learned in the following page, and the Abhyas also changing here. Eka Shashtitah Shataparyantam Sankhya, 61 to 100 are to be practiced here. Eka Shashtihi, right on the top, you find Eka Shashtihi, 61. Dvishashtihi, Dvishashtihi. You can write it, they can learn very easy. They can pick up from the board. Dvishashtihi. Dvashashti is also there. Dvashashtihi is also there. Dvishashti. Dvi is simple. Dirgha is not there. So you can Dvishashti. Trishashtihi. 63. Chatushashtihi. Chatushashtihi. This is Chatushashtihi. Chatu, you have to write Sha 2 times. Shash. Chatushashtihi. This I will write. Remember 4. And Panchashashtihi. Simple. Panchashashtihi. Shatshashtihi. Shatshashti also will write. Remember. I will just put here. And then Saptashashti is simple. Astashashtihi. Astashashtihi. Navashashtihi. Another way of saying is Ekona Shashtihi. Ekona Shashtihi. Then second one, Eka Saptatihi. Saptatihi is finally 70. So we'll recall once again. Dasham, Dasha, Vimshatihi, Trimshat, 10, 7. Dasha, Vimshatihi, 20, Trimshat, 30, Chatvarimshat, Chatvarimshat, 40, Panchashat, 50, Shashtihi, 60, Saptatihi. Now coming to Saptatihi, 70. Eka Saptatihi. 71. Dvisaptatihi, Dvasaptati, Dvisaptati will take. Trisaptatihi, Chatussaptatihi, this we will write. Sandhi is there. Chatussaptatihi. Then Panchasaptatihi, simple. Shat Saptatihi, Ashta Saptatihi, 78. Ashta Saptatihi. Sapta Saptatihi. Sapta you add Saptatihi is already there. Sapta Saptati, Ashta Saptatihi, Nava Saptatihi, Ekona. This is Ekona Ashitihi. Very difficult. Ekona Ashitihi. Another way of saying simply Nava Saptatihi, 79. Ashitihi. After Saptatihi you get Asitihi. Asiti, 80. And Eka Ashiti. Eka Ashitihi. Eka Adhika Ashitihi, 81. Dvi Ashitihi. In Sandhi it becomes Dvyashitihi. Dvi plus Ashiti. Ashiti you can see 80. Akara is there. Dvi plus A is equal to Dvya. Yanadisha Sandhi take. Dvyashitihi, 82. 3 plus Ashitihi, Triashitihi. It is also Sandhi. You were asking some time back, Sandhis are not. This is Sandhi. Dvi Ashitihi is equal to Dvyashitihi. 3 plus Ashitihi is equal to Triashitihi. End Sandhi. Chatur Ashitihi, Chatur Ashitihi, 84. Pancha plus Ashiti, again Sandhi. Pancha Ashiti, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Pancha Ashitihi. Shat Asitihi, Shad Asitihi. This is also Hal Sandhi. Shad Asitihi, 86. Sapta plus Asitihi, again Sandhi. Sapta Asitihi, 87. Ashta plus Ashta Asiti. Everywhere Sandhi is taking place. Nava plus Ashiti, Nava Asitihi. And finally Navatihi, 90. Saptatihi, Asitihi, Navatihi. 90 we have come. Then Eka Navatihi, Dvi Navatihi, Tri Navatihi, no problem. Chatur Navatihi, Pancha Navatihi, Shat plus Navati, Shan Navatihi, Natva take place, no? Sandhi. Shan Navatihi, Sapta Navatihi, Ashta Navatihi, Nava Navatihi, like Nava Navatihi, Shatam, Centum. From this Shatam word, cent came. Centum, cent. Shatam, centum, kentum, centum. And cent, something like in linguistics we study. So up to Shatam, Eka Shashtitaha from 61 Shataparyantam Sankhyaha. We have seen this. Some need to be written here. We will write. 64, 66. 74. Others are 74. There is a problem. Chatushashtihi. Chatushashtihi. Shakara comes so many times here. And next one?
66.
66 also is not written. Shat Shashtihi. Shat Shashtihi. This is it. Next.
74. Chatussaptami.
Chatussaptatihi. Any more to be written? Chatussaptati. The others are very easy only. Saptanavati, Ashtanavati, etc. Okay, no problem on this page. We'll move on. So we'll again recall tense. Ekam, Dasha, Vimshatihi, Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Panchashat, Shashtihi, Saptatihi, Asitihi, Navatihi, Shatam. Go back. Shatam, नवतिः अशीतिः सप्ततिः षष्टिः पञ्चाशत् चत्वारिंशत् त्रिंशत् विंशतिः दशम एकम. So this way, that way, numerals. And in the next page, Sankhyanam Akshareshu Lekanam. You are supposed to practice now in words, which what we have, some 10, I think 10 are given here. 30 is Trimshat, already done for you. Now, all these words are feminine words in Sanskrit. Trimshat is feminine. What is 40? Chatvarimshat. What is 70? Saptatihi. Dasha, 10. Panchashat, Panchashat. Asitihi. What is there in the previous page? 400. Asiti, Shashtihi. These are all Strilinga Shabdas. Vimshatihi is also Strilinga Shabda. Vimshatihi. Navatihi is also Strilinga Shabda. Navatihi. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Ikaranta Shabda. Shashtihi Ikaranta Strilinga. So, we will come back once again. Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, Saptatihi, Dasha, Panchashat, Asitihi, Shashtihi, Vimshatihi, Navatihi. And here is very easy exercise. Identification. Vimshatihi, 20. Chatvarimshat means how many? 40. Asitihi, 80. Panchashat, 50. Navatihi, 90. Shashtihi, 60. Dasha, 10. Trimshat, 30. So this way, Trimshat 30, Dasha 10, Shashtihi 60, Navatihi 90, Panchashat 50. I am going from bottom to up. Ashitihi 80, Chatvarimshat 40, Vimshatihi 20. So very simple exercises, and still more Sankhyanam Shabdeshu Lekanam. Now you have to write, identify and write. Eka Ashitihi with Sandhi, it becomes, already we have done on 400 page. 400 page. Eka Ashitihi. And is the 82 also. Dvyashitihi. Immediately previous page. Dvyashitihi. Tryashitihi. Tryashiti. Trya. How to write Trya? After and Ya. Trya. Shitihi. This is a word coming like this. 3 plus Ashitihi. Okay? We will put the arrow this way. This word is like this. 3 plus Ashitihi become Tryashitihi. This Sandhi is between these two. Similarly, Dvyashitihi. Dvi plus Ashitihi. What is happening here? This is becoming space. Dvya, you can say of the. Okay, you can say Dvyashitihi. Dvyashitihi. This is how it has come. Tryashitihi. Okay, let it be there. Big bang. Next, what is there? Trishat. Chaturashitihi. 84 is also there on previous page. Chaturashitihi. Panchashitihi. Shadashitihi. Saptashitihi. Ashtashitihi. Navashitihi. Everywhere Sandhi Dirgha is coming. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is coming. So Navatihi. Navatihi. And you can see the remaining also are there. Ekanavatihi. Ekanavatihi. Dvinavatihi. Trinavatihi. Chaturnavatihi. Panchanavatihi. Shannavatihi. Saptanavatihi. Ashtanavatihi. Navanavatihi. Navanavati. Shatam. Abhyasa 248. Arrange the following words in ascending order. Ascending order. So one or two are given for you here. Ekashitihi. Dvyashitihi. Dvyashitihi. Triyashitihi. Yeah, you can see Triyashitihi. Chaturashitihi. Panchashitihi. Second line, first word, Panchashitihi. Shadashitihi. First line, second word, Shadashitihi. Then Saptashitihi. Second line, third word, Saptashitihi. Astashitihi. Last word, Astashitihi. Navashitihi. And over, Navatihi. Navatihi, 90. Finally, it is Navatihi. So this way, you have to identify and put them in order. Ekashiti, Dvyashitihi, Trashitihi, Chaturashitihi, Panchashitihi, Nava, Shadashitihi, Saptashitihi, Astashitihi, Navashitihi, Navatihi. We have done. So this is simply practicing of numerals and the derivation here. Still following, some more things have to be written here. Sankhyanam Shabdeshu Lekanam. Now we have to practice writing, identify writing. A lot of writing is required here. Dvadasha. Dvadasha. What is 22? Dvavimshatihi. Dvavimshati, Dvivimshati, you can say. Dvavimshati. Dvavimshati is popularly written Dva. Then Dvatrimshat. Dvatrimshat. Dvichatvarimshat, Dvachatvarimshat. Dvichatvarimshat, 42. Dvipanchashat. Dvipanchashat. Dvishashtihi. Dvisaptatihi. All are twos added here. Dvadasha, Dvavimshatihi, Dvatrimshat, Dvichatvarimshat, Dvipanchashat, Dvishashtihi, Dvisaptatihi. Here, Dviashitihi, Sandhi, Dvyashitihi, what we have there. Dvyashitihi on the board. 82. Then 83. Second exercise there. 23. Second exercise is 13, 23, like that it is coming out. Trayodasha. 10-10 is enhancing 10-10. Trayodasha. Trayovimshati. Trivimshati. Trayovimshati. Trivimshati. Then Trayastrimshat. This will write Trayastrimshat. Remember? Trayastrimshat. Trayastrim. Sandhi is there. Trayastrimshat. Trichatvarimshat. No problem. Trichatvarimshat. Tripanchashat. No problem. Trishashtihi. No problem in writing. Trisaptatihi is easy. This will write 3 plus ashiti, Triyashitihi. Triyashiti is written. Here it is. Triyashitihi. It is there already on the board. Then 18. No, third one. 1, 2, 3. Udaharana. Here, book. 18 you have to take. 18. 18. And then that is the number 3 exercise.
So 93 is also.
Trinavatihi. Okay, we are missing one. Trinavatihi. That is okay. After Trinavati, you come to Ashtadasha. Astavimshatihi. Here again 10-10 enhancing. Astavimshatihi. Astatrimshat. Astachatvarimshat. Astapanchashat. 68 is Astashashtihi. Astashashtihi. 78 is Astasaptatihi. 88 is Ashitihi. Sandhi you take and Astashitihi. You will write it. Astanavatihi. 98 is Astanavatihi. Then we move to the fourth exercise, 34 and zigzag. There is no order here maintained. Chatustrimshat. Chaturtrimshat. Dvishashtihi. चतुःपञ्चाशत् चतुःपञ्चाशत् त्रि अशीतिः सन्धि त्र्यशीतिः once again त्र्यशीतिः and 96 षण्णवतिः this we will write षण्णवतिः सप्ताशीतिः सप्त अशीतिः सन्धि made सप्ताशीतिः 87 त्रिनवतिः very simple चतुष्षष्टिः sandhi is there 64 चतुष्षष्टिः I think we have written just now. There it is on the board, it is there. चतुष्षष्टिः चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् 44 we may write चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् we will write 33 83 88 you remember this and 96. What is the number first to be written? Trayastrimshat. So, Trayastrim. Trayastrimshat. This 3 has not come. Trayastrimshat. Next. Trayastrimshat. 83. Tryashitiः. Tryashitiः. One more 88 I said, somewhat difficult. Ashtashiti, sandhi is there. Ashtashiti 88. Then 96. Nava 96. ಅದೇನಾ ಓ ಷಣ್ಣವತಿ 96 na this is also in sandhi षण्णवति everywhere visarga comes
93
षण्णवति and 93 त्रिनवति is very simple त्रिनवति चतुष्षष्टि 94 if you take Chatushashti. So many shakaras are coming here 3 times. Chatushashti. And Chatushchatvarimshat finally. Chatushchatvarimshat. This is 44. चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्. So a good identification and also writing practice of numbers. Now some very big numbers are introduced in the next page. The page introduces you to Parardha Paryantam Sankhya up to trillion in the British numerical number. Parardham is somewhat closer to trillion. In the British counting system, UK system is different from American system. For example, US trillion is a million. A million is trillion. But according to British, a million. is equal to trillion, and that is closely coming to our highest denomination given here, parardham, what is given with 17 zeros. Actually trillion should has 18 zeros. 18 zeros, 1 with 18 zeros. So let us see what is ekam. We have already seen. Dasha we know, shatam we know, sahasram we don't know, and so far we have not studied in the book. Ekam, dasha, shatam, sahasram, 1000. Ayutam, 10,000, 10 times. So each one is becoming multiplied by 10 times. Sahasram, ayutam, 10,000, and 10,000 10 times 1 lakh. Laksham. Laksha is a very popular word in India. It is also Laksham and Laksha also, Strilinga. Laksha, Akara, the Strilinga is also there. Laksham. Napumsaka will take. Niyutam. Niyutam, yeah. And this is 10 times the Laksha. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. What we say million. Niyutam is 1 million. So 1 with 6 zeros here. 1 with 6 zeros. Kotihi. 1 with 7 zeros. 1 with 7 zeros if you count. And then Arbudam. 1 with 8. I forgot, Srinivas. There are some names also in English. If you have Reader's Digest or this Bala Manorama, one book I had, I could not locate numerals there. Even English equivalents are there for all this. There are given Bala Manorama, general GK books. You have no? There they have given some equivalents. But I am only now giving you in this class. I will give you maybe if I get the book next class. Million, billion, trillion only we are able to recall. The other names are also there in English. So Arbudam, what is Arbudam? I am not able to tell you in English now, right now.
10 crores.
10 crores, you have to increase it. 10 crores. But crore concept is not only in Indian. Crore concept. Vrundam is equivalent to US billion. Vrundam. How many? 1 with 9 zeros. 1 with 9 zeros. Vrundam. Then Kharvaha. 1 with 10 zeros. And what is it in English? We have to find out. Nikharvaha. 1 with 11 zeros. Nikharvaha. Shankhaha. 1 with how many? 12 zeros here. 1 with 12 zeros. Nikharvaha. Shankaha is 1 with 12 zeros, which is equivalent to US trillion and British billion. There is a lot of difference between these two. Then we come to after Shankaha, Padmaha. 1 with 13 zeros. Padma. Sagaraha, Jaladihi. This is also known by another name, Jaladihi. Jaladihi means Sagara means same. 1 with 14 zeros. 1 with 14 zeros. Antyam. 1 with 15 zeros. Antyam. And 1 with, next one is Madhyam. 1 with 16 zeros. Am I right? You can also count 16 only, I think. I have counted already 3, 15, 16. 3 if you round off, then you can. Madhyam is 16. 1 with 16. Parardham is with 17 zeros. 17 zeros. Parardham. There are 17 zeros. But if you go by one more zero, it is English, British, trillion. 1 with 18 zeros is trillion, because a trillion according to British numerical this thing, a million is trillion. US, a million is trillion. US is lesser than the British counting. So these are the numbers here given, 1 to 17 zeros. If you add, what are they called in Sanskrit? Ekam, dasha, shatam, sahasram, ayutam, laksham, niyutam, koti. People are familiar up to koti. We are familiar in India, dasha, sahasra, laksha, koti. Frequently we use in Indian numerals. Then beyond this we don't use also. Arbudam. I think Arbudam is also used in Hindi. Arabpati. Arbudam, Arabpati we say. Beyond koti is Arbuda. So Arabpati they say in Hindi language. Arabpati means millionaire. Arbudam. Then beyond that I think there is no word used for a person having so much money. So there is also a poem given to this effect to memorize. Ekam dasha shatam chaiva sahasramayutam tatha laksham cha niyutam chaiva koti arbudameva cha vrindam karvo nikharvascha shankaha padmascha sagaraha antyam madhyam parardham cha dasha vruddhya yatha kramam. These are all increasing by 10 times. Each one is increasing by 10 times. So this is how the numerals are given here on this page 404, and their practice is following in 405. You may stop me 10 minutes, one poem I have to read on numerals only. 405 page is a little practice of how to use these. Ekaha pakshi. What is it? Ekaha pakshi or ekaha khagaha. The simple word we have learned. Khagaha, bird. Dvau ashvau, 2 horses. Dvau ashvau. Trayaha balakaha. So how a masculine numeral number is derived is shown here. Ekaha balakaha. Dvau balakau. Instead of these horses you take away this. Ekaha balakaha. Dvau balakau. Trayaha balakaha. Okay? Chatvaraha balakaha or chatvaraha vrikshaha. 4 trees. Now up to chatvaraha, 4 number only there is derivation. The problem in numerical derivation in Sanskrit is up to 4 chatvara we have to see the gender, and then all are derived likewise. You can see them. Pancha mayuraha. If supposing in the place of mayuraha, if there are boys here, pancha balakaha, pancha pandavaha, pancha bhutani, pancha patrani. No gender derivation from 5. Up to 4 masculine, feminine, neuter must be separately derived. Ekam patram, dve patre, trini patrani, chatvari patrani. You can't say chatvaraha patrani. Chatvara here is given for tree. Tree is pullinga. Chatvaraha vrikshaha. Chatvaraha manavaha. Chatvaraha balakaha. Chatvaraha devaha. Chatvaraha vedaha. 4 Vedas. Veda is pullinga shabda. So this is very carefully in the beginning you must observe. Up to 4 you have the problem with the genders. Once you cross the number 4, pancha can be used with any gender. Pancha pustakani, pancha pandavaha, pancha bhutani, pancha mahilaha. Getting? This pancha can be used with any gender conveniently. It need not be, it is not derived. But up to 4 there is derivation. You cannot say chatvaraha mahilaha. People, a Sanskrit scholar will laugh at it. This fellow doesn't know the basics. Chatvaraha mahilaha you can't say. Or you can say chatasraha vedaha. A blunder it will be. Chatasraha vedaha. Veda is pulling a shabda. Chatasraha is a feminine gender derived. So chatvaraha vedaha would be alright. So that is what you are learning on this page. Now Strilinga. The top slot is meant for pullinga shabda. Now here Strilinga. Eka. What is this? Dvichakrika, 1 bicycle. Dvichakrika unfortunately is a feminine word. Or you can take it out. Put some lady. Eka mahila, Eka stri, Eka nadi, anything. Eka, Mata, anything. Dve, this bucket is Strilinga in Sanskrit. Droni, nadi like Dronyau. Dve, Dronyau. Or Dve Mahile. If you take Mahila Shabda, very simple. Dve Mahile. Dve Balike. Why Mahila? Balika. Dve Balike. Now, three, changing again. This three, you compare Srinivas now. Ekaha became in Strilinga Eka. Dvau became Dve. Trayaha becomes in Strilinga Tisraha. Tisraha, what are these? Makshikaha, not Pipilikaha, and Tisraha Pipilikaha. Or you can use Tisraha Mahilaha, three ladies. Tisraha Balikaha, three girls. Any feminine thing. Tisraha Lekhanyaha, three pens, like that. Now Chatasraha also changed. What is Chatasraha in Pullinga? Chatvaraha. Chatasraha Ghatyaha, Ghati, clock. Chatasraha Mahilaha, you can say. Chatasraha Samasyaha, Chatasraha Nadyaha, etc. Now Pancha, no problem. As I told you, from Pancha everything is same. Pancha Lekhanyaha, Pancha Mayuraha, Pancha Makshikaha or Pipilikaha, Pancha Dronyaha, Pancha Dvichakrikaha, anything you can say. And in the bottom, he is giving you, introducing to neuter Shabda. Napumsaka, up to 4 Napumsaka Shabda also is different. Ekam, Kim Tat Pushpam, Ekam Pushpam, Ekam Phalam, Ekam Vahanam, anything you can take. Napumsaka, you can't say Ekam Balakaha. Can you say? Even the sound doesn't tally. Ekaha, Balakaha is fine. Ekam Balakaha won't go. So, Ekam Pushpam, Kamalam, whatever it is. Dve Upanetre, 2 spectacles. Why Upanetra? Take Pustaka. Dve Pustake, Pustakam Pustake, Dve Pustake. See, compare this Dve with Strilinga, same. Strilinga, there only, fine. Dve Dronyau, Dve Pustake, this is same. Like if you remember, Srinivas, in the study of pronouns, what is plural in Pullinga is Dvivachana in Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, same thing here. For example, Saha, Tau, Te, Sa, Te, Taha. That Te becomes Dvivachana in Sa. Like that, here Dvivachana is same. Napumsakalinga, Strilinga, Dvivachana is same. Trini, Pustakani, Trini, Palani, Trini, Vastrani, Trini, Netrani, Shivasya, Trini, Netrani. Shiva has 3 eyes. So, up to this. Now, again, Napumsaka Chatur differs. Chatvari, Chatrani, umbrellas. Chatvari, Chatrani. So, Chatvari, Pancha, no problem. Panchapatrani, Panchamayuraha, Panchalekhanyaha, Panchapipilikaha, Panchapustakani. You can use Pancha for any gender, irrespective of the. So, this is how basically I have seen many students going wrong here because they don't learn this properly in the beginning. Up to 4 you have to be very careful. 3 genders up to 4 are different and they have to be learned. And it is very easy. Afterwards there is no derivation. See, Pancha, Shad Mahilaha, Sapta Mahilaha, Sapta Purushaha, Sapta Vrikshaha, Sapta Vahanani, Sapta Rishayaha. Everything is okay. Up to 4 only you have to be very careful. Is it all right? Any doubt at this stage? We will only see once again. Ekaha, Dvau, Trayaha, Chatvaraha in Pullinga. Eka, Dve, Tisraha, Chatasraha, Strilinga. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Napumsakalinga. These things are there. If you want, I will write later. We will go to next page, please. Anyone? Show them 406.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, huh? Then we may take up a poem here for today. But this page we will repeat in the next class once again. Very important one. There is a very nice exercise riddle, numerical riddle is going to be now seen by us. Since we are studying so many numerals, I thought this poem would highlight. Can you read that? विंशति स्त्रियः स्नानार्थं सरयुं गताः. स्नानार्थं सरयू नदीं गताः. तत्र एका मकरग्रस्ता. What is this line? तत्र एका मकरग्रस्ता. Then the fourth line says पुनर्विंशतिः रागता. पुनर्विंशति रागता. विंशति रागता. Breaking the sandhi is here. Ekona vimshati. There is another way of what is 19 we are calling Nava Dasha. One way of calling it Nava Dasha, isn't it? 19 is called Nava Dasha. Another way of calling is Ekona vimshatihi. This is another way of calling. Ekona, here a bit tricky usage is there. Ekona vimshati striya. Here is sandhi, we have broken as vimshatihi, what we have just learned today and yesterday also. Vimshatihi plus sandhi, if you break striyaha. How many ladies? This sandhi, you break it like this. So, in the primary reading would be like this. Eko, one, ekaha, if you break ekaha, one. Na means is equal to naraha. This is how you have to understand the riddle. It is a riddle, Sanskrit numerical riddle. Otherwise, okay, you forget this. Ekona vimshati striya means primary meaning would be 19 ladies, stri. Ekona vimshati striya means 19 women. Snanartham, for bathing. Sarayum gataha, went to river Sarayu. Tatra eka, there one, eka stri. Makara grasta, makarena grasta, was caught by crocodile. There one lady was caught by a crocodile. Punaha, again, vimshatihi agata, again 20 came. How does it give meaning? You are saying 19 women went to take a bath in the Sarayu river. There one lady was caught by the crocodile. Again 20 came. Does it give any sense? So the riddle is Ekaha na. Na is a word, separate word in Sanskrit. Nru Shabdaha. It is a Nru Shabda. Like Nrusimha, you know, the word Nru means Naraha. Nru also means Na. In this Nru Shabda, Prathama, it becomes, in Prathama Vibhakti, this comes as Na. Narau. Naraha. This is Prathama, this is Dvitiya, this is Dvivachana, Ekavachana, sorry, Prathama Ekavachana, this is singular, dual, plural. Na, Narau, Naraha. What is the base? Nru Shabda. So, Na is this here. Ekaha, Na. Ekaha, Na means Naraha. One man, Vimshati Striyaha, 20 women went to take bath in Sarayu river. Tatra Eka. How do you break this, Sandhi? Simple. Tatra plus Eka. There, Tatra means there, Eka, Stri, one lady, Makara Grasta was caught by crocodile. Punaha, you break this Sandhi. Punaha again, Vimshatihi. How many came back again? Vimshatihi Agata. Again 20 returned. So when you read, just a riddle, what is called riddle, Prahelika. Ekona Vimshati Striya means 19 women went to take bath in Sarayu. One lady was caught by the crocodile. Again 20 came back. How? You say 19 went, one was caught, so 18 should come back. How they came? So here is the riddle breaking. Ekaha na, one man, Vimshati Striyaha, 20 women went to take bath in Sarayu river. One lady was caught by the crocodile. So 20 women plus one man is 21. 21 minus 1 again, Punaha again, Vimshati Agata, 20 came. So this is how the riddle is made on the basis of these numerals. So you learn here, there is a noun called Nru Shabda, which becomes Na. Vimshati we have already studied here, Vimshati Striyaha. And other things are very easy. So that is the riddle. Is the time over? Almost. Shivam Bhuyat.